So OpenAI announced that new updates, and one of the major update that we have is the update in ChatGPT. That is, we are getting apps in ChatGPT. We'll be talking and diving deep into this apps and how this works and how you can use it. But before that, if you haven't watched the keynotes of OpenAI, you can just check it out in the I button here. I'll be linking it down. Now, without any further ado, let's just start with this particular one. So they released an interesting feature which is apps in ChatGPT. Now, let's just see what it is. These are the regular apps which are connected to ChatGPT now. So, whenever you are talking to ChatGPT, you can call any particular app and you can ask ChatGPT to do work on that particular app and it will do the work for you, right? For example, let me just show you here that you can just ask ChatGPT and call Spotify to do some playlist creation, and it will work and do the playlist creation for you. We will see everything in action, but before that, let's just have a look at their release notes and how it is going to work. A bunch of things on how you can use apps in ChatGPT. We are going to try it so you don't have to read it, right? These are the apps which are available right now, which is Booking.com, Canva, Coursera, Expenditure, Figma, Spotify, and Zillow. They will be integrating more apps into it, but till then we can play around with this one. We can do a lot of things. They are available, like these are the apps which will be available coming soon, and I'm sure we are going to get more apps into it because now it's available to everyone. So developer will be having access to it. They will be developing a lot of cool stuff using this same SDK that just released with this apps feature. So it's going to be a lot more interesting. And now, without any further talk, let's just see this particular feature in action. So I'm heading straight to ChatGPT and let's just create something. I'm thinking of creating a pitch deck, or I would say a presentation, like a slide presentation. And let's just say something like, for example, we are creating a presentation on OpenAI's keynote, right? So they just finished their keynote, and now we want to create a presentation on it. So how we can do it, right? So first we want to gather the data. To gather the data, we will be asking ChatGPT like, "Hey GPT," I just write down the prompt, and first I'm gathering the data. I'll show you how to use those apps feature, but before that, I want to have the data so that we can create presentation on it. Our core purpose is to create the presentation on this keynote, but let's just go step by step. First, we are collecting the data. So I'm just writing this prompt. Now I will hit the enter, and ChatGPT will be going through the details on the internet. I'm not sure if it is gonna, yeah, it's searching web. It is getting the OpenAI keynote details and it will be listing it down. So let's just see what it writes here. It's like first thing, ChatGPT apps SDK. That's perfectly right. It's like a Spotify, Canva, Zillow. It's totally, I got this. I got this thumbs up button. Anyways, so these details are right, by the way. This one is also right. Oh man, my ChatGPT got frozen for some reason. Not sure why. Uh, it is slow. It is slow. Got this. They have GPT-5 Pro in API. Totally fine. Okay, so ChatGPT provided us all the details here, right? We are having all the updates of OpenAI keynote. There are some things like this particular part, it's not the update from keynote, but it's a different update. But that's it. We got all the details here. We got all the sources, and all of them are like, some of them are verified sources, but some might be wrong. Anyways, now let's just test the new feature, which is applications, right? So to call any application, in this one, we are going to call Canva. To call any application, you have to write Canva or name of that particular application. So here the app is Canva, so I'm calling Canva. You can also call Spotify, and Spotify will appear. So you don't have to like define anything. You just call the app and it appears. For example, Figma is also one of it. It just appears, right? So in this one, we are going to ask Canva. So I attach my personal preference here and I attach what I need Canva to do for me, and I'll be hitting the enter. Now what happens here is that ChatGPT will send an API request to Canva. You can see this API request. It says path. It's gone, by the way. You can see that API request whenever the message is failed, but otherwise you won't be able to see the API request. I'll show you that as well, but let's just see what Canva creates here. And if it is your first time, it will ask you to connect your account with ChatGPT. So let's say, for example, if Canva is there, it will ask you to create your Canva account with ChatGPT. In other way, what you can do is you can also connect ChatGPT through your settings. You can also connect other applications through your settings. So go into settings, and here you can go into apps and connections. And this is what you can see. Like you can see Canva, Figma. I already connected it here. So this is how it will look like. Other applications, you can just click on them, click on connect, and that will work, right? And if you're using it first time, you can directly call it. You don't have to go manually connect it. It will directly ask you, and it will prompt you to provide the access, and the connection will happen. Let's just see what it creates. But till then, we can have a look at how it works and what kind of API requests it sends. I had this data because I sent some of the requests earlier and those requests were failed. And because of those failed requests, I was able to see the connection messages. I'm going to show you that right now until this presentation creation is finished. So I was just testing this on this particular site, this particular data. I was creating this for DSQR, and this is what I got, by the way. The message is that this was failed. The resource not found error was there, but that's the reason I am able to see the API call here. So they are using API tool and they send a request here. They request to Canva, right? And these are like arguments, and this is the path, and these are all arguments. Like you can see title, they they provide the title, they provide all other details, and that's how the API request is being processed. If you're technical, you can just go through it. Otherwise, it's okay. You don't have to worry about it. And then this is what we get in response. If there is some error, it will throw error. If there is no error, it will directly create the presentation or the file that you asked for you, right? That's easy peasy. Nothing to worry about, right? And by the way, if you are not aware of DSQR, it's a video editing and design service agency. You can just check it out in the description. Great agency to work with. Coming back here, this is what it created. Let's just have a look at it. Oh man, it created this one. So this first one, it's loading. I don't know why, because I just sent the first request. It is still loading, so there might be some form of technical error. Let's just refresh it and see. Yeah, it's still loading. I don't know what that is, but let's see what it created now. So it has OpenAI Dev Day 2025, unveiling the future of AI innovations and capabilities. Nice start, I would say. And it goes into dark mode because I prefer dark mode. It has all the sensitive fonts. So ChatGPT evolves into an app platform. Apps inside ChatGPT, totally right. Open SDK for developers, totally right. Instant app creation. I'm not about sure about this one. Then introducing GPT-5 Pro, better. And then comes Sora 2, real-time mini. These are totally good things. Like build automated GPTs, chain tools for development with Agent Kit. Agent Kit is also available. OpenAI and AMD partnership. So some of the details in here, even I'm not aware of. So I have to verify the sources first. But the way it is presenting the data, the way we collected it, the way it provided all the sources, you can just think about the possibilities this holds, right? You can do all the research and then ask simply uh, to create a presentable version of it, right? Straight into your chat GPT. You don't have to go and provide all those details to your team and then your team creates it. It just happens in your main interface itself, right? Let's just check some more examples here. We have this one. So it got load. I don't like this theme, but it's okay. I'm not gonna complain considering it is in its early phase. I'm not gonna complain about it. Let's just see other one. This one is cool. Oh, welcome to OpenAI Dev Day 2025. It is using serif font, by the way. I'm not because I chose sans serif and it is giving me serif font. That's okay. I just see design wise, um, cools providing updates, and yeah, not bad. I would say not bad. And this last one, let's just we'll check this one. It is using yellow color. I don't like this specific color. It's too much of yellow. But yeah, details are good here. Details are good. Oh, oh man. So we are having this, right? And what you can do is that you can just open any application in here. You will be able to see it, and then you can open it in Canva. So when you click on it, it will redirect you. It will open the application of Canva, and you will be able to modify things in Canva itself. When the modification is done, it is now yours. You can just use it, right? It's directly available in Canva. This is how it will look like. Great start. I won't say I would rate this one as presentation wise, it is like 3 out of 10, 3 or 4 out of 10. But the way it is working right now, I would say this is beginning of it, and it's only going to get better. As any other AI tool, this is only going to get better. So I'm excited about this one. I also created one more version of it. Let me just show you that as well. So this was the one I did earlier, and this is what it created, by the way. This one is a really cool one. I like this one. See this design here. It's awesome. Like the theme, I like this one. I won't say this is my personal favorite, but this one is better, right? So yeah, that's the update we have in this ChatGPT app, and that's how you can use it. You can try it with Coursera or Spotify. You can ask Spotify to create your favorite playlist based on your mood, based on your current scenario. Let's say maybe you got a breakup, and I'm sorry, you might have a breakup, but yeah, you can just create things like that. And yep, that's it for this one about the apps in ChatGPT. Let me know what are you exploring with it. Let me know how you plan to use it. I'm just excited for what's coming in the future. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep enjoying. And let's learn together. Let's experiment together. Bye bye. See ya.